Hello Year 5, welcome to Wednesday's maths lesson. Today we're going to be looking at common factors. So yesterday we took time and we found the integers that are factors of different numbers. Today we're going to compare those for two different numbers. So for example, we could look at the numbers 12 and 16 and then look for the factors that make up both numbers. Just a quick reminder of what factors are. Factors are numbers that we can multiply together to get another number. So we did that yesterday. This is just a reminder so that we know what we're looking for. So we've got various methods of finding the factors and factor pairs of given numbers. So we used arrays and tables yesterday, and we also used our own times table knowledge to help us as well. So we should know all the factor pairs of the numbers up to 144. So we can use all of this knowledge to find common factors between numbers. We can simply list them out and look for similarities. So have a go yourselves. Can you find all the factor pairs of 12 and 16 and circle the factors that they have in common? Pause the video here to have a go. So this is sort of the thing you should have ended up with. So we should have a list of the factors of 12, a list of the factors of 16, and we can say that the common factors they have are 1, 2, and 4. Is there another way that we can do that? Have a think. We can use a Venn diagram. So this is where we have two overlapping circles to show different sets of data. And then in the middle of that, we have where the data is the same. So we'll use 12 and 15 for this example, and we'll work it through together. So first of all, you need to find all the factors of 12 and 15, and we're going to record them in a table. Pause the video here and do that now. Okay, here is my table. I've got all my factors of 12 and all my factors of 15 in my table ready to go. So the next thing I'm going to need to do is to draw my Venn diagram. So what I've done, I've drawn my two overlapping circles. I've labeled the one on the left for the 12 and the one on the right for 15. So what I'm going to do next is look at the factor pairs for 12 to begin with, and I'm going to start putting them into the Venn diagram. So my first pair is 1 and 12. So I know 1 times 12 makes 12. I've also looked at the table for 15, and I know that 1 times 15 will be 15. So I know that 1 is going to be a common factor between those two numbers. My next factor pair is 2 and 6 for 12. I know neither of those appears in my table for 15, so I can put them all in the circle for 12. My next pair, 3 and 4, I'm going to put the 4 in the 12 circle, and the 3 is going to go in the middle, because I know that 3 times 5 makes 15. And then to finish up with, I've got two more numbers to put in, which is the 15 and the 5 that's left from my table. So the common factors are the numbers that are in the middle. So both of these numbers and both of the tables had these numbers in. They both had 1 and 3 in them. So they are going to go in the circles or in the center of our circles where the two circles overlap, as they are common factors. Now, your turn to do this yourselves. Can you find the common factors of 20 and 24 and show them on a Venn diagram? Pause the video here to have a go. Press play when you're ready for the answers. Okay, here we are. Here are your answers. So the pairs for 20 were 1 and 20, 2 and 10, 5 and 4. And the pairs for 24 were 1 and 24, 2 and 12, 4 and 6, and 3 and 8. And out of those, the common ones were 1, 2, and 4. And that's the end of our lesson for today. I will see you all tomorrow, Year 5.